So how do I actually optimize my Amazon PPC campaigns to increase profit instead of just getting clicks? What is really important when it comes down to optimization, it's going to be very important for us to know how much can we optimize until we are optimizing too much that we are just going to decrease our sales as well. So when it comes down to Amazon PPC campaigns to increase profit instead of just getting clicks, it's going to be very important for you to understand how much your click costs, the cost per click, how much can you optimize that, how much can you reduce that, so you're going to get the same amount of sales, not less sales. But I'm noticing on my end, most people, they're trying to force one specific ACOS on their account, giving you super clear example. The campaign that you're currently running, it's converting at 80% ACOS. Now you would optimize your bids bit by bit, day by day maybe, or every 2 days, you would lower that with 5%. And then you're going to take attention to your sales. Are your sales staying the same? Or your sales are going to lower as well? Because what can happen most of the time is that whenever you are going to optimize your bids, because there are different placements where your ad is going to show up, right? Top of search, which is going to be wherever like everyone wants to showcase their product on top of search, because that is a prime real estate. Whenever someone is seeing your product, they are highly likely to consider it and buy it. Therefore, that is the most expensive. Now, if you have an 80% ACOS that is converting and you're going to optimize your bids, lower your bids in this case, what can happen is that you're going to showcase your product in a different placement. A different placement can be a product detail page, or it can be a rest of search page. Product detail page is maybe on someone else's, your competitor's product detail page, ones that you're going to scroll down. Rest of searches is anywhere else besides these two placements. So that's why I'm saying it's really important that once you're optimizing towards profit, you're keeping a close eye on your sales. What we don't want to do is reduce our bids so much that it's just going to end up just generating clicks, because those clicks, even if they are cheaper right now, they are showcasing your product in other placements. So when it comes to prioritization, I would look into what is your current ACOS, what is your target ACOS, what is your current sales revenue from that campaign or from that keyword, what is the placement that is converting best for you. Then look into, if I'm going to reduce my bids, can I still stay on the same placement that is converting best, also keep the sales? Then you would have a winning strategy.